Now is the time to transform your bandsaw machine with Sawblade.com's quality Centauro 900 guide kit upgrade. This guide kit is engineered to give you a superior experience while cutting. The CC36 is the economical solution that will help you eliminate blade drift, increase your blade life, and boost your performance. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodworking and resawing. The CC36 kit comes with a micro-precision CP20 and CP10 guide that are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades ranging from 3/16 of an inch to 1 1/4 inch and comes complete with the proper mounting hardware, lower and upper CP guide blocks, and precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your Centauro aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, Product Specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.